Noob nuts, how does OPS run team drills? That's something that I want to share with you today. The second drill that we did was called Clockwork. We made a square setup like these behind covers, and it was still 2v2, Javelin and Jim versus me and Whiter. With this specific drill, I wanted to work on call out, hearing the call out, and also act specifically snap shooting. So what snap shooting is when you are behind hard cover, you want to pop a shot, and then duck back. This way you can engage while minimize your physical exposure in the most efficient way. So when it comes to snap shooting, if you know FlipSoft, or actually a lot of CQB airsoft players in Japan, they do really good snap shooting. And sometimes with the pistol, they'll also switch hands as well on the pistol. Because I know a lot of players, sometimes me too, I don't switch hand with the pistol, but sometimes they would, right? So very interesting. All players involved have unlimited lives, but there is a time limit, and Harry was keeping time of 2 minutes.
Hands up! Hands up, hands up!
So within 2 minutes, everybody will need to keep count of how many times they got hit. When you are behind covers, you can only do snap shooting and only one shot at a time. But when you are moving, you are allowed to shoot multiple times. So when you hear that call out, clock, then you move this way and you can shoot. Pop, 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 pop. Like this. The person that's calling out can also call counterclockwise, which in this case we call it CC. When you hear CC, that means you move in the opposite direction. So after 2 minutes up, Harry will let us know, and then we will let each other know how many times we got shot, and the person that got shot the most, drop a coin.
Go!
Clock, 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 clock! Oh shit！ 等一下，我要先。Oh shit！
Hands up! Go!
CC. Clock.
So yeah, this part is kind of funny. When Slim Jim yelled out CC, I was suddenly confused, like which direction is counterclockwise. Like when you're in that moment, you're like, wait.
CC. Clock.我刚才想 CC 哪边？ CC， 哦 shit！ 再一次。
看上。
啊，走错边啊，卡住了。